The nature of creation. Matter does not exist in the way we actually conceive it. Nevertheless, it does exist as a cosmic delusion. To dispel delusion requires a definitive method. You cannot cure a drug addict in a moment. Material consciousness possesses man through a law of delusion, and he cannot banish it except by learning and following the opposite law, that of truth. Spirit, through a series of processes of materialization, become matter. Hence, matter proceeds from and cannot be different from its cause, spirit. Matter is partial expression of spirit. The infinite appearing as finite, the unlimited as limited. But since matter is only spirit in a delusive manifestation, matter per se is non existent.